Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today, we're looking at the Zelda WindWaker PPT Baam game. Let's check it out. The Zelda WindWaker PowerPoint game is made by Steve Marty of the Weigoop forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get your free downloadable copy. The home screen doesn't have the normal letters or numbers for you to choose from, but in fact you have to choose characters from the game to go to questions. So let's choose Daybird. You have your question, answer it correctly, and you can go to the next question. There you'll receive some points as per normal. To return home, click on the Triforce in the top right hand corner. There's multiple levels to this. To do the different levels, click on next. It'll bring you to different screens. And along with points, there are a lot of different special events, and let's have a look at a few. This one, they have to actually choose 3 treasure items, but the selection is all bad, unfortunately. So it's a bit of a twist. This one, they have a mystery box. We don't know what's in it. Is it good or is it bad? They can open the box or give it to another team. Here is good. They could switch points. Here is the positive treasure map. So they can choose 3 treasures. Let's say like 8. And get extra points. Well, that was our PPT walkthrough of the Zelda WindWaker PowerPoint game. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and if you want your free copy of the PPT game, go to our website or the links below to download from there. Bye bye.